right. This is at this old pharmacy. All right, I'm ready. Look at this. This is cool. Shut up.
I'm not the greatest driver, so it's way too late, but...
It's all good. These things are, I'm guessing it's just one speed, right?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. It doesn't exactly stop when you let go. Takes a second. Yeah, and then like a round trip is perfect.
Yeah, see, now I'm short here. Sometimes it does.
Oh yeah, and then it'll stop you beforehand.
So you gotta kind of be careful.
You kind of gotta let it have like the momentum to get itself to the top.
So that's
Cool.
what you do, and then close her back up.
Switch right there.
And then we head down. First floor. Basement.
That's cool.
So.
This is great. Normally, a lot of the times you see these and they have like 30 layers of paint slathered onto them over the years. It's nice to see
This
it.
one's been taken care of, I guess.
Oh yeah, this whole cab looks perfect, basically. I mean, the whole store is in great condition. It's cool. Awesome.
Ready?
Yeah, back up.
Closer.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, and then, I just missed that. Otis